is very impressive. Now to keep pace, GK God will be returning fire, looking for a triple of his own, bringing in those Dragon Riders and the Mass Drag with it. We've got a new fun challenge for the community to name this attack strategy. Judo, I think that they were kind of leaning one way yesterday.
Yes, we want you to let us know in the chat whether you prefer the Hydra or the Skybird. Now, I prefer the Hydra, I must be honest with you. And Seven God did get a 3-star using this strategy yesterday. He was also KOG's top player in the pre-qualifier. Now, he started out with the Blizzard down to the Town Hall. These Super Wizards do get the Town Hall, but they've ran towards the Town Hall. I believe there's only one of them left. That Giga Poison really does do a number on the troops. And I'm not sure he got everything he wanted there, but at least the Town Hall did go down.
Yeah, very big investment early on, and to really only get the Town Hall and a few of the surrounding buildings certainly wasn't a failure by any means, but was it enough of an initial setup to justify that expense and enough to claim the 3rd star going in? We've got a Queen outside edge, no healers, just the Unicorn to try to keep her a little bit healthy to clean up out on the outside. But the main star attraction here is going to be these Dragons and Dragon Riders swooping through. An early strike at the Eagle Artillery, what can sometimes be a big destructive force on defense, has been taken out early. Scatter shots and multi-target infernos are going to be the remaining big things to keep an eye on, as well as those air defenses. If this Queen can swoop around and get that 11 o'clock air defense, that'd be really great, Judo.
Oh, the Dragons and the Dragon Riders split up, but fortunately the Dragons have moved back across towards the enemy Queen. Remember, the Dragon Riders, a defense targeting troop, do not attack the enemy heroes, so I was worried for a little while there, but thankfully the Dragons switched on, took down the enemy Queen, and with the Royal Champion sweeping down from the bottom, Woody, this now looks very promising with the Queen ability intact, the RC ability intact, and he's even got lots of Dragons down to the bottom cleaning up. 1 minute remains. It looks pretty good here for KOG to level things up.
I think you're right about that, Judo. Only little tiny hitch with the Dragons missing the clan castle there. Had to slow down the Archer Queen, but she was still happy to stay on target. Lava Hound only took a few seconds off of the total time here. GK God will equalize with this 3-star, even if it's going to take a little bit of time to get back to that clan castle.
Yes, and let's reiterate, this is elimination stage. We are in the lower bracket, starting off with that matchup before we move back to the upper bracket. So whoever loses this goes home. And let's be honest, neither of the clans want that. And they have had a little bit of time to study the other team. Yesterday, when they were knocked to the lower bracket, they did have to battle straight away. Whereas today, they know who they were going up against in this first match. So it's interesting that they both start out with a 3-star. Maybe that extra time to prepare is showing off.
Quick replay where you get to see that early strike, the Blizzard taking down the Town Hall and setting up for the remaining sweep here. Heroes along the top edge and the main phase of that army down at the 6 o'clock position and swooping back around clockwise. A 2 minute and 30 second attack, not coming close